Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bare face today. No, we're not doing makeup today. We're doing another session of my decluttering and tidying. It's Christmas holidays. I've got a lot of things planned and one of them is this room because it's been getting me really down lately. Yeah, it's an absolute stump. It's a sight, honestly. It's an absolute mess. I'm going to give you a look around actually so that you can see what we've got to tackle with. To be honest, I've been putting it off. It's one of them ones. It's going to take me hours and I'm dreading it. Luckily for you guys, it's going to be sped up, so I hope it provides some motivation and some inspiration. I'm really looking forward to having it rearranged, tidied, decluttered. It is long overdue. So without further ado, let's give you a little look of what we have to deal with. So here we are. I'm about to go in. There was my bathroom, if you remember. So this is where my dressing room is. That's the guest room, which does need tidying up as well, because at the minute, you can see, now this is going to be another decorate with me room. This room has currently got Smokey on the bed there, but I'm actually putting stuff in here to give away to my sister and to charity. So that's a dumping room at the moment. So here we are, about to go into this mess of a place. So we've got clothes on the door, towel from when my hair was wet, wrapping paper, boots, big pan. Look at the state of this. And it's so dirty as well because it's just dusty because you can't get to it. There's just so much stuff. This bookcase at the back here is just filled. I mean, the top kind of looks kind of neat, but everywhere it's just stuff everywhere. It's like books, more books, nail polishes. The drawers are full. They've got to go back. They were for my mum for Christmas, but they don't fit, but they've got to go back. Cards, bags on the floor, stuff under here, stuff on the floor. So it's just a disaster. Bags and shoes and my lights, my rail, which has got nothing on it now apart from one jacket, and a load of mess here as well. And the other thing I'm going to do is there's actually wardrobes here. This is my mannequin, which I think if I've got no room for it, she's under here somewhere. I'm going to put her back in the loft. It's like Christmas stuff on the floor. In here, this is full of more clothes because if you've seen any of my decluttering videos or sort of wardrobe declutter, you can see that I probably need to declutter like radically. But this has just got more stuff. It's like art supplies because I do a bit of art, but not for ages, and old stuff like memorabilia stuff here from when I lived back in Manchester. This is all like I used to do burlesque as a with the band that I used to sing with. Well, I did it a couple of times anyway. This is all the burlesque costumes that we used to wear. So they need sort of rehoming maybe. But they're fine in the box because it keeps them dust free. And they're fine. I'm happy with that. These boxes, I'm not sure what's in them, but they need to be utilised properly. And then I've kind of kept old shoe boxes like the Carvella ones. I am going to do a video on this. I know I mentioned it ages ago and I haven't done it yet. But it's just full of stuff. There's like bags up there, stuff up there, and all this one's tidying out. And down at the bottom here we've got more things, like that's the Halloween stuff, and then this is a box of stuff that used to belong to my dad, and the rest is in the loft. But there's like scarves that I don't need anymore, so I think they need to go on to better homes. So this is basically what I've got to deal with. I'm hoping it only takes me today. It's currently 11:25. Sam's just nipped to Greg's to get her some breakfast. I'm going to have that with a coffee and then I'm going to get started. So I'm going to position you somewhere, maybe on the desk over there so that you can see what's going on, because basically maybe I can put you up high actually, because basically I'm going to be taking everything out of here. So everything's going to go. I've saved some boxes, you might remember from another video that I've got some boxes in the dining room, so I'm going to get them up here and start packing stuff up. So less of the talking, more of the moving. Let's get on with it. yeah, I've been going now for probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I've had a little break a couple of times, but this is where we're at the minute. So the 2 shelves I've moved, so that one's no longer there, that one's no longer there, and I'm now putting them both here, which I thought that would be better. I might rearrange these shelves yet, I don't know, because I'm not going to fill them all with shoes. I'm going to put some of the shoes away, I'm going to give some away. Now the plan is as well, is I'm going to get a blind for here, because I'm going to put the Mac desk under the table, because I think, sorry, under the window, because a lot of the time there's just, because there's a window and there's wardrobes, it kind of makes the space sort of a little bit more difficult to sort of use. So there's only so many free walls, and I don't want to cover up my whole wall because I love this wall. I don't want to cover it completely because I really like that. So I am thinking that obviously this desk is going to go underneath there, slightly more to the right or directly under, so that at least you can still get to those shelves there. And then this dressing table is just going to go here, and then that, which I'm going to clear off, is just going to go in the corner there, something like that. Anyway, we'll see how it works out. So that's where we're at the moment.
To mislead, this is all you need.
Hi guys, it's getting late. Yeah, I've been at this all day. Had a few breaks. I'm nowhere near finished right now, but never mind. What I did get ages ago were these for my little mirror, so I'm going to put them up. They're like bulbs, so if you ever want to make your current mirror, I mean this is just a mirror that I redid ages ago, I'll leave a link above. It was just spray painted and, you know, revamped, and you can add your own bulbs. Now these were like £20 I think from Amazon, and then you just attach them yourself, and then you've got your own Hollywood mirror. So bargain, and a fraction of the price. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on my mirror and see what it looks like. Hi guys, so we're finally finished. This is actually another day because it took me so long to finish, and my battery ran out a couple of times as well. But yeah, I'm all done, and I'm going to give you the big reveal, so I hope you enjoy. So we're just about to go in. I'm just going to give you a quick reminder of what it looked like previously. Here you go, just as I talk. This is how it looked previously. It was very messy, needed to be completely decluttered, and this is the new and improved dressing room. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Right, I'm going to take you around everywhere. Let's put the light on, although that light doesn't give that much light. So I've decided to move these 2 shoe racks that were here originally onto this side of the room because I thought it worked better here. If you remember, before my dressing table was here, I've actually got rid of some of my bags. I've actually got 5 bags of clothes for the charity. So yeah, some good stuff going to the charity. So yeah, I've been watching Marie Kondo and doing a bit of KonMari, and I thought, you know what, I need to spark joy, say thank you to those things that have done me well but I no longer use, and hand them to someone that would make some use of them. So back to the shelves. So we've obviously got shoes on one side. I've obviously decluttered these. Some have gone back in my wardrobe. I didn't want them all on show because I don't wear them all that often, and they're all getting a bit dusty, so I've only got my favourites sort of on show and the ones that I want to keep. All my sandals are in these sort of bins. If you remember, I got these from Poundland for £1. So there's just loads of sandals in there, and in here more like shoes, like ballet pumps and some Primark trainers, which are super comfortable, by the way. And then on this side, I've just used this as a bit of a display. So as you can see, we've got the 2 glossy boxes. These are the 2 special ones with the nice boxes. And then these are all the, I might actually glue these together because they're still loose, but these are all the drawers from the Birch boxes that you can use. And then I've got some like notebooks and things I like to collect there. My little light in a jar here. Some pictures of my family, my friend, my best friend here. And then we've got the little Harry Potter section. We've got the potions thing. I don't think you've ever seen this. I love Harry Potter. This was a present off my friend. And a cup from when we went to Harry Potter World. And I've got Hermione's wand here. Plus another cup here, which is like a cauldron. That's a Harry Potter cup. Then at the bottom we've got the Ted Baker boxes because they're really nice boxes. I quite like the Mortal Instruments, yeah, Shadow Hunters, so I've got the book selection there. And here's my book collection. Obviously I have stuff on like food, How Not to Die, that's a really good book as well. Just things about just health and whatnot here. And then I've also got a few books on like Book of Shadows, tarot reading, scrying and that sort of thing, because that's something that kind of interests me as well. So I've got a few books there. Moving to this side of the room, there's nothing but my rail. I'm planning to put a big mirror there, but I haven't got it yet. Then the desk has now moved under the window. I'm going to get a blind for here as well, like one of those twisty blinds. So we've got this, we've tidied it up, same as before. Tidied all the drawers out. This top one basically just has a Christmas card, just bits and pieces that we use on a daily basis, my charger, some tissues, which I kind of need now because I seem to be full of allergies at the moment. Not sure why, but I do need tissues. Then we've got over here, we've got my light, ring light. And then a picture here that I did buy for my friend, but the actual thing that went inside, that I was going to put inside, it didn't fit properly. So I'm going to put a picture of me and Sam in there. I just have to find a good one. And then we've got my desk here. Sorry, we've got my dressing table here. And you probably saw me putting up the lights in one of my previous clips. And as you can see, it's got a little touch button on the side there. And voila, you have a Hollywood mirror for 20 quid from Amazon. So all you need to do is find an old mirror, tutivate it up how you like, and then you just add these as you saw in the video. But that looks amazing. And you can do it really cheaply, so fabulous. Then we've got some perfumes here. And this, I've decided to just put cotton pads in it. So I tidied it out and cleaned it out. It was just full of bits and bobs. This was from my sister for Christmas. This is what I asked for. So this is like one of these light up mirrors. Looks like that. And then you got a little button here. So that lights up as well, which I thought was really good. So that was from her. Then last section here, obviously I have my light up box. This was off my friend. And then this was off Sam, which is a new jewellery box. Which houses all my jewellery. I love this. This was from Amazon again. You pull this little thing down and you've got like rings. These open and you can put like bracelets and necklaces. And then you've got little drawers for little bits and pieces. Like so. And there's some watches in the bottom. And then this one is for like longer necklaces as well, so you can hang necklaces there. So that, and it's got a mirror as well. So that's that. And then here we've completely tidied out, so we've got some extra perfumes here. And some body mist from Victoria's Secret. I never got to light the advent calendar, so I will do it at some point. I've got some brushes and things that I use for like nail art. Sunglasses and some extra perfume sets from Avon, and little bits and pieces in here. I'm not sure what else I'm putting in there yet. My nail polish collection and a set of candles. And I've also tidied out the cupboard. It kind of doesn't look like it, but there's a lot less stuff in here. The clothes is now gone to just half the wardrobe. These are just scarves. And that's it. It still looks a bit messy, but all like the books and stuff for like household stuff goes there. And then an idea for belts is just to put some hooks on the inside of your wardrobe and that's just hang them up. So that's everything. So this is how it looks. I just think it looks fab. there's a full view of everything. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!